I've used Linux for about 10 years before even realizing it. From mobile phones in your hands to cars, TVs, and the cloud, almost everything uses Linux. Hey, my friends, today we are looking at some surprising Linux facts every beginner must know. If you're new to Linux, this video is especially for you. Please stick to the end, because I'm going to unlock 5 secrets that will help you appreciate Linux as you begin your journey. Let's get started. I guess you might have heard a little about what Linux is. In case you haven't, Linux is a free, open-source operating system built around the Linux kernel, first released by Linus Torvalds in 1991. Fact number 1. Linux is just the kernel. Most beginners confuse Linux with being an independent operating system like Windows or Mac, but this narrative is far from the truth. Linux serves as the base system component from which so many operating system is built. Think of Linux like a car's engine. Alone, it's useless, but add seats, wheels, and a steering wheel, now you've got a full car. The next time you hear of Linux, don't get confused. Fact number 2, Linux is not a single OS. Linux is the base system on which major Linux-based operating systems are made. Let's break it down. Still using the car analogy, Linux is the engine, and every other thing added to make the car move makes it a full operating system. Cars have several brands like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Bugatti, yet have the same engine. These different brands represent various operating systems called distributions or distros, some of which include Fedora, Ubuntu, Linux Mint. They're all different flavors of Linux built on the same Linux kernel. Fact number 3. Linux is open source. Unlike its rivals like Windows and Mac OS, Linux code is open for anyone to see, modify, and redistribute for free. This fosters massive community collaboration and avoids vendor lock-in. Where Windows or Mac says, buy our cake, but you can't see how it's made, on Linux the case is different. It doesn't only hand the recipe to you, it also allows you to do other things like change the sugar, add sprinkles, and share it freely. Fact number 4. Linux powers everything from Android phones to supercomputers to smart TVs. Some people think Linux is restricted to desktops only. This is not true, because Linux runs on a variety of other devices. Your Android phone, tablets, gaming consoles like the PS4 and PS5, Steam Deck, Amazon Kindle devices, digital cameras, smart home devices, and networking devices. The list goes on and on. So you see, Linux is everywhere. Finally, fact number 5. You can live boot Linux. What this means is that Linux can be tested on your PC without needing to install it first. This allows you to test the features before deciding to install them. To do this, grab a tool like Rufus, Etcher, or Ventoy and create a bootable drive with the ISO. Link is in the description on how to do this. Another option is to use a virtual machine like VMware or VirtualBox, which lets you run Linux on your current OS. One advantage of both options is that if something goes wrong, your base OS is unaffected. So friends, this is it for today. Linux is flexible, free, and secure. Ready to try? Start with Ubuntu or Linux Mint. Use a live USB to test it. Smash like if this helped, subscribe for more tech simplicity, and comment your distro. Bye for now.